Pin Media.
Basebo ne bannyabo bategeezezza nti Omubaka Parliament okuva e Mityana okujja Kayunga wano olwa programu eno okubunyisa obugabirizi bw'ebyobulamu ku bulwadde bwa Sickle oba Nalubiri kituyamba ffenna. Naye ekisinga byonna kisinza okunsanyula mu programu eno kwe kwongera okusomesa abantu abakulembeze, abantu abazadde b'abaana abalwadde ba Nalubiri n'abalwadde ba Nalubiri ku bulwadde buno, kubanga nze newakwadde nga ndi mukulembeze nali mu mawulire ng'abantu bandaba ku TV nga banneegomba naye nga nina obulumi bw'omwana wange omulwadde wa Nalubiri, naye ng'era manyi abantu bangi abatya n'okwogera. Nze ne ngamba sijja kutya, nja kuvaayo njogerenga ku bulwadde buno era manyi nti mulaba nnyo story yange kisobole okuyambako abantu abalala nabo okutegeera nti tebali bokka, n'obulumi obwo tebabuyitamu bokka, n'okubonaabona tebakuyitamu bokka, naye n'okwebaza abantu bonna abeewaddeyo, bannaffe bonna abatuyambye abavujjiriza bali mu nteekateeka eno. Tubeebaza nnyo, mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala. Nja kugenda maaso nga nsitula eddoboozi ku bulwadde bwa Nalubiri oba Sickle. Dr. Atwine, I came all the way from Mityana because of sickle cell anemia. I am a parent to a child with sickle cell disease. And I made the decision to raise awareness when I was still a journalist working with NBS television. And the time when I had my child, there are many people, including people that I worked with, who were afraid to say they have children with sickle cell anemia. But I said, I will raise my voice, I will raise awareness. I am very glad when Dr. Namazi was speaking about this program, she talked about education. Education about sickle cell is very important because despite the fact that I went to school, because of lack of education about sickle cell, I was very afraid of putting my child on hydroxyurea. It took the wise decision of Dr. Henry Dungu to put my son on hydroxyurea by force. And I remember telling him that, Dr. Dungu, if my son dies, you're going to compensate me very highly. And he laughed about it. Either way, he actually put him on hydroxyurea. And just about three weeks after that, my son got so sick and I was really worried and I was very angry at Dr. Dungu. As we speak, I am very happy with him because my son is doing well. That's why it's very important to educate the masses, to educate the warriors, to educate the parents like me, because there are many, even when they have gone to school, there's so much they do not know about sickle cell anemia. I also thought that I would say this. Sickle cell anemia, being a chronic disease, also causes other chronic illnesses like high blood pressure. Because of the stress of the sickness of the child, many parents have hypertension because of that stress. And it's very important for the caregivers to understand that, especially those who do counseling to the parents with sickle cell anemia. What I didn't say about hydroxyurea and education is that I had a friend of mine, and I know most of you who follow social media know Lina Jemba. She's right now out of the country, but she had a son who got 3 strokes in just a few minutes. But the son was on hydroxyurea. So in my mind, I thought that maybe the son got the strokes because of hydroxyurea. So it's very important for us to get that kind of knowledge. I am here as a politician to pledge my support to this program and to continue to raise awareness about sickle cell anemia and to rally other politicians, other leaders to support the cause and to talk about sickle cell the same way we talk about HIV and other diseases. Because you know that when we go to our communities, we talk about HIV so often, but we rarely talk about sickle cell disease. So as a leader, as a politician, I am here to pledge that I'll continue the role of patient advocacy, and also raising awareness of sickle cell anemia.